Hey, hello everyone, this is Mamta Mond and today we will learn and solve exercise 13.1, chapter 13. Chapter name is Exponent and Power, questions 5, 6, 7 and 8 of class 7th of NCERT Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solution of CBSE, ICSE and other states board. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we learn and solve exercise 13.1 questions 5, 6, 7 and 8 of chapter 13. Chapter name is Exponent and Power and topics are express numbers as product of prime factors, simplify the exponent and comparison of exponents. Now we solve question number 5. Question number 5 is simplified. First bit is 2 multiplied by 10 cube. We have to simplify 2 multiplication with 10 to the power 3. We know 10 to the power 3 means 10 is multiplied 3 times. 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 is 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. 100 multiplied by 10 is 1000. 2 multiplied by 1000 is 2000. So 2 multiplied by 10 cube is 2000. This is the value of this exponential numbers 2 multiplied with 10 cube. Now we solve question number second bit 7 square multiplied with 2 square. We have to simplify this exponential number. 7 square means 7 multiplied 2 times and 2 square means 2 multiplied 2 times. 7 multiplied by 7 and 2 multiplied by 2. 7 multiplied by 7 is 49 and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 4 is 16 and 4 9 is 36. 196. This is the value of this exponential number 7 square multiplied with 2 square. Now we solve question number third with 2 cube multiplied with 5. 2 cube multiplied with 5 is 2 multiplied 3 times. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 5 is 14. So value of this exponential numbers 2 cube multiplied with 5 is 40. Now we solve question number 4th bit 3 multiplied with 4 to the power 4. We have to simplify these exponential numbers. 3 multiplied with 4 to the power 4 and 4 to the power 4 means 4 multiplied 4 times. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 16 multiplied by 4 is 64. 64 multiplied by 4 is 256. And 3 multiplied with 256 is 768. 268. The value of this exponential number 3 multiplied with 4 to the power 4 is 768. Now we solve question number 5th bit 0 multiplied with 10 square. We know any number multiplied with 0 is 0 and 2 square is 2, 10 square is 10 multiplied 2 times. 10 multiplied 10 is 100 and 100 multiplied with 0 is 0. Any number multiplied with 0 is 0. So value of this exponential number 0 multiplied with 10 square is 0. Now we solve question number 6th bit. 5 square multiplied with 3 cube. 5 square means 5 multiplied 2 times, and 3 cube is 3 multiplied 3 times. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, and 3 cube is 27. 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 2 7 14 and 10. 14 and 10 is 24. 24 and 34. I have applied this vertical crosswise multiplication, applying the Vedic math sutras of vertical crosswise. Vertical crosswise multiplication sutras of Vedic math. If you want to learn more about Vedic math multiplication, about vertical crosswise multiplication of Vedic maths, then please visit my playlist. Please watch that playlist, Vedic math multiplication. That is in my description box. 4 multiplied with then 6, 7, 5. 675 is the value of this exponential numbers. 5 square multiplied with 3 cube. Now solve question number 7th bit. 2 to the power 4 multiplied with 3 square. 2 to the power 4 means 2 multiplied 4 times. And 3 square is 3 multiplied 2 times. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. 16 multiplied with 9. 16 multiplied with 9 is 144. This is the value of this exponential number 2 to the power 4 multiplied with 3 square. Now we solve question number 8 to be 3 square multiplied with 10 to the power 4. 3 square is 3 multiplied 2 times, and 10 to the power 4 is 10 multiplied 4 times. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, and 10 multiplied 4 times is 10,000. So it is 90,000. So value of this expression 3 square multiplied with 10 to the power 4 is 90,000.